Figma has evolved from a browser-based tool for designing user interfaces to a platform that helps teams go from idea to product in one place. Dylan Field and Evan Wallace founded Figma in 2012 after meeting as students at Brown University. At the time, design was fragmented, with designers working in silos across multiple tools and products, making collaboration challenging. To share work, designers would often send large, manually annotated files as email attachments with complex names. Field and Wallace saw an opportunity to bring design to the browser, making it more open and collaborative. After experimenting with WebGL and spending 3 years building, testing, and iterating with users, they launched Figma, a design tool that combined the accessibility of the web with the functionality and performance of a native desktop app. Initially, not everyone was enthusiastic about Figma's collaborative approach. Some designers were concerned that increased transparency and collaboration would lead to tighter deadlines, micromanaging, and a loss of control over their craft. However, as more designers and teams started using Figma, they began to understand the benefits of designing together in the browser. It was more enjoyable, faster, and more efficient to work in a single product that brought storage, asset creation, prototyping, and other parts of the design toolchain into one place. The ability to easily share work with a URL led people to bring collaborators into their files earlier, emphasizing co-creation and reducing the need for the big reveal. Figma's openness and accessibility have become the expectation, transforming the way products are designed and built. Figma has expanded its platform to serve the many roles and steps involved in going from an idea to a product. In 2021, Figma launched FigJam, an online whiteboard for teams to brainstorm and ideate together. FigJam grew organically out of the unexpected ways the community was using Figma design to meet, connect, and brainstorm product ideas. In 2023, Figma released Dev Mode, a dedicated space that helps teams translate design concepts into coded products more efficiently. Dev Mode is tailored to the specific needs of developers, who make up approximately 30% of Figma's monthly active users. In 2024, Figma launched Figma Slides, a product for designers and collaborators to drive alignment through better designed and more collaborative presentations. In 2025, Figma doubled its product portfolio with the launch of 4 new products: Figma Sites, Figma Make, Figma Buzz, and Figma Draw. Figma Sites allows users to design and publish websites directly, while Figma Make is an AI-powered product that turns prompts into fully functional prototypes. Figma Buzz is a product for creating social media assets and marketing materials at scale, and Figma Draw provides a dedicated space for finer vector editing. With these additions, Figma offers an increasingly end-to-end platform for teams to go from idea to shipped product. Over 76% of Figma customers use at least 2 of its products, demonstrating the platform's growing adoption. Figma has also leveraged AI to accelerate product development. Features like generating editable user interfaces with simple prompts and renaming layers in design files have helped users explore and iterate on ideas more quickly. Figma Make is the latest launch that showcases AI's potential to accelerate product development by turning conversational prompts into working prototypes within minutes. The community has contributed significantly to Figma's platform, creating over 250,000 community resources, including plugins and widgets that allow users to customize their workspaces and speed up workflows. Through close community ties and a relentless focus on innovation, Figma has grown to serve more people and parts of the product development process, positioning itself at the center of design and product development workflows. The opportunity ahead for Figma is vast, with the amount of software in the world expected to continue growing exponentially. According to a Gartner forecast, worldwide software spending is expected to exceed $1.2 trillion in 2025. Generative AI has made digital products more ubiquitous and easier to build, with International Data Corporation estimating that there will be over 1 billion new apps in the world by 2028. As a platform that's quickly becoming a system of record for design and product development, Figma is well positioned to benefit from this growth. Figma believes that design and a company's brand matter more than ever, as companies must increasingly vie for customer attention in a world with an explosion of software. Well-crafted, thoughtfully designed brands, products, and user experiences will stand out from the rest. Additionally, companies are still in the early phases of incorporating AI into their products, and Figma expects to see significant innovation in the years to come around the design of new interfaces and interaction paradigms that are truly AI native. Figma estimates that its total addressable market is $33 billion today, based on the global workforce engaged in software design. The company's founding vision was to eliminate the gap between imagination and reality, and 13 years later, this aspiration feels even more within reach. Figma's evolution from a design tool to a design and product development platform has combined with huge advances in AI to make this vision more attainable. The product development process in Figma involves the phases of ideation and alignment, visualization, building, and shipping. Figma has launched and successfully monetized new products that bring more parts of this process onto its platform. For ideation and alignment, FigJam and Figma Slides facilitate brainstorming and presentation. FigJam is a product tailored for ideation, brainstorming, and rapid communication of ideas, while Figma Slides helps teams collaboratively make compelling presentations that drive and maintain alignment. For visualization, Figma Design and Figma Draw enable teams to bring ideas to life. Figma Design offers a wide range of features that make it possible to visualize ideas with high fidelity, including typography features and vector editing capabilities. Figma Draw is a dedicated space for vector editing within Figma Design, allowing designers to make more detailed edits to key assets in their design. As designs begin to solidify, Figma Design offers a rich set of design systems features that allow teams to define flexible, reusable building blocks. This makes it easy for anyone to assemble a design without starting from scratch. Figma's prototyping capabilities also enable users to string together different screens into a dynamic, interactive flow. Once designs are ready, Dev Mode is the dedicated space for developers to translate designs into code, streamlining the back and forth between design and engineering. Dev Mode allows developers to inspect designs, view them in the format they understand most, and generate platform-specific code. The Model Context Protocol server in Dev Mode enables developers to connect an agent in their code editor directly to designs in Figma. This helps maintain a single source of truth, keeping everyone on the same page and reducing miscommunication during the design-to-development handoff process. The last step of the product development process is shipping the code to production, and Figma Sites is a key offering that enables users to publish a design directly to production as a working website with a custom URL. Figma Sites includes features that make designs production-ready for the web, such as breakpoints that make websites responsive across different window sizes and devices. It also supports augmenting designs with code to create more powerful, dynamic experiences. Additionally, Figma Sites includes a content management system, CMS, that makes it easy for anyone to make changes to the content on a website without worrying about breaking the underlying code or design. Once a product has been shipped to production, promoting it is crucial to ensure existing and prospective users are aware of its value. This is where Figma Buzz comes in, a tool that makes it easy to create on-brand marketing collateral, like social media assets and digital ads. Figma Buzz is designed for users of any skill level, allowing them to take a template and edit its contents or create assets in bulk from templates. The product simplifies collaboration between brand designers and marketers, enabling designers to access sophisticated tools to set up beautiful templates, while marketers can make edits to the content without worrying about messing up the design. Figma Make is another product that represents a new paradigm in product development, leveraging AI to make it possible for anyone to quickly turn an idea into a functional prototype or working product. Instead of going through the traditional iterative process of wireframing, mocking up, and prototyping, Figma Make lets users go directly from prompt to working prototype, which can be validated and iterated upon or discarded altogether. What's created in Figma Make can be published to a URL for anyone to use. Figma Make is designed to offer fast and powerful ways to iterate and refine its output, allowing users to improve the design of their product via further prompting, editing code directly, or visual manipulation. Users can also reference their designs in Figma Design to ensure consistency and familiarity. With Figma Make, more people will be able to create functional, dynamic prototypes and software, lowering the barrier to entry for those who want to transform their ideas into working products. At the same time, it raises the ceiling of what's possible by giving people access to capabilities that weren't previously possible in their current tools. The benefits of combining rapid prototyping with a highly performant and sophisticated design tool give users the best of both worlds: the ability to move quickly while having access to the tools needed to refine the design. Figma Make enables designers to tap into the power and expressiveness of code, while allowing developers to enjoy the freedom and speed of visual manipulation. Figma's products come together to serve more parts of the software development lifecycle, allowing users to push an idea from conception to final product. The company's design and product development platform houses everything from initial brainstorming to pitch decks, design specs, and final implementation. Underlying each of Figma's products is the same DNA that makes them uniquely Figma, built from the ground up with multiplayer in mind, leveraging WebGL for real-time collaboration and seamless sharing. Each of Figma's products is supercharged with AI capabilities, ranging from automating rote tasks to unlocking new superpowers. They also allow for seamless interoperability, making it possible for content to move fluidly between products and modes. Additionally, all of Figma's products are built with extensibility in mind, allowing users to leverage APIs and plugin architecture to customize their experience to their specific needs. Figma's platform infrastructure has been built out to enable the company to incubate, test, and launch new products more easily. While the primary focus remains on product teams building software, Figma believes it has the ingredients needed to explore adjacencies over time. The company's community is at the heart of its success, with customers of all sizes, spanning industries and geographies, bringing their work to life in Figma. Figma has focused on creating deep ties with its users and customers since day one, with founders making house calls to customers, offices to troubleshoot product issues, and traveling to visit growing groups of Figma users. This deep community focus has helped fuel the creation of over 200 Friends of Figma chapters across the world, which organized over 650 events in 2024. Figma engages with its community through in-person and virtual touchpoints, including Config, its annual conference, product live streams, community meetups, and leadership collective events. The Figma team, known as Figmates, is a group of builders, makers, and tinkerers with deep connections to users and a passion for building and shipping. The company attracts incredible talent because it has the opportunity to shape how teams around the world design and build products. Figma's culture is unique, driven by its 5 cultural values: build community, love your craft, run with it, grow as you go, and play. These values serve as an operating system for decision-making and organizational behavior, painting a clear picture of what Figma values and why. Figma's culture is also driven by its annual company-wide Maker Week, where Figmates pitch, develop, and execute on new ideas or projects with one another. This way of working makes Figma's culture unique and helps attract and retain employees with builder DNA. Listening to feedback across every touchpoint with users and customers is deeply embedded in Figma's culture and how it works, driving revenue and long-term loyalty. The close ties Figma has developed with its community since day one have opened lines of communication, helping the company respond quickly to customer feedback and innovate for customer needs. Figma's business model is based on a subscription model designed to meet the diverse and evolving needs of its growing community and customer base. Access to Figma is sold as an annual or monthly subscription per seat, with different plans tailored to the specific security, product, and administrative needs of different users, organizations, and industries. Figma offers a variety of ways to try, use, and purchase its products, including an automated self-service option and a direct sales process. Figma's plans range from a free starter plan for personal projects to more advanced plans, built-in partnership with customers that meet the specific needs of larger organizations. The professional plan is designed for individuals and small teams, while the organization plan is designed for businesses with multiple teams. The enterprise plan is designed for businesses managing multiple products or brands, providing custom team workspaces, automated design system management, and enterprise-level controls and compliance. Figma also offers different seats tailored to specific user needs and workflows, including Viewer, Collab, Content, Dev, and Full seats. Each seat provides access to specific products and features, allowing users to choose the plan that best fits their needs. Over time, Figma expects to introduce products and services that may be billed differently than on a per-seat basis, such as add-ons or pricing with limits on feature usage. Figma's go-to-market motion is driven by its reputation as a product design leader, the product virality inherent to its collaborative and browser-based platform, and its integrated marketing efforts. Many users grow with Figma into larger, managed accounts that often include more seats and more products for users within their organizations. Figma's product-led, bottoms-up adoption contributes to its growth, while its direct sales motion helps serve larger customers. Figma's sales team works closely with solutions consultants and designer and developer advocates to understand customer needs and provide tailored solutions. The company believes exceptional customer support is core to a great product experience and has built a global support function that provides customer assistance in multiple languages for all paid users. Figma's partner ecosystem, including product integrations and distribution partnerships, drives further retention and adoption of its platform. Figma has also made its products available for free or at a discounted rate for educators and students through its Figma for Education program. This includes higher education institutions, boot camps, and workshops, as well as K-12 students and educators. By providing access to its products for free or at a discounted rate, Figma aims to develop the next generation of product builders and designers. Prior to its IPO, the first quarter of 2025 saw over 13 million monthly active users on the platform, with 2/3 of them being non-designers. Figma's focus on the entire lifecycle of software creation reflects its ability to rapidly bring new products onto its browser-based platform. The company believes that design spans far beyond a single step or role, and is more than just how something looks or feels. It's also about how something works. In today's digital-first world, well-designed digital products and experiences are critical to a company's success. As a result, 95% of the Fortune 500 and 78% of the Forbes Global 2000 used Figma in March 2025. Figma's business has grown as more users have come to the platform, with revenue reaching $749 million by the end of 2024, representing 48% year-over-year growth, leading to a 4-year compounded annual revenue growth rate of 53%. By the first quarter of 2025, revenue was $228.2 million, representing 46% year-over-year growth. Net dollar retention rate stayed well over 100%, indicating strong customer loyalty and retention, leading to a net income of $44.9 million for the first quarter of 2025, compared to a net income of $13.5 million for the same period in 2024. Figma believes its pace of innovation, platform flexibility, team strength, community relationships, and the power of design position it well for future growth. Figma has focused on building a company for the long term since day one, and will continue to invest in its platform across key growth levers. These growth levers include maintaining a rapid and proven pace of product innovation, converting new and existing users into paid customers, growing within current customers, extending the platform, expanding the international footprint, and making strategic acquisitions and investments. For more on Figma and other companies, follow Ascencore, See you next time.